Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your mouse settings or properties are resetting automatically every time you restart your computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy it and tap the bar, right click eject and paste it in. Press enter. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on this advanced and make sure it is checked or here. After that click on next. Wait for it. You just need to follow along this process. After finishing this, select close the troubleshooter. Close it off here. Now go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it to Windows Update settings. You just need to scroll down, select this advanced options. You just need to scroll down additional options, click on optional updates. If you have any drivers update listed over here, you just need to select all of these and select download and install. You just need to wait for it until this download finished up. It requires you to restart your PC, but we need to do one more step guys. To do this, you just need to close it up here. Now right click on the start icon and select device manager. Now you just need to expand the mice and other pointing devices and right click on the mouse and select update driver. Make sure you have turned on the internet connection. Select search automatically for drivers, and after doing this, select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If you have any update available, you just need to update it guys. Now you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.